Hi, Melissa. How you doing? Okay, good job, man. This is a great company. I didn't know about this company. I learned. So awesome. Thank you so much. I think that you're on to something here, and I think that the rubber hits the road right here. And this is where and then it really starts getting into gear right here. And this is really good stuff that you have here. And I just really want you to carry this forward and think about what you've done here. Okay, the cups are made with fiber sources from forests certified by the Sustainability Forestry Initiative. The cups' water-resistant barrier and lids are made with NatureWorks NGO material, which is derived from corn. This is phenomenal stuff right here, okay? So I want you to remember all of this stuff that you're writing and all the research that you've done for this, because when we do our course project, you're going to be asked to design some things, and you're going to be asked to give a very detailed materials list to prove your sustainability. So a lot of students take this initiative where they go, okay, I'm just going to say this is recyclable, this is aluminum, and this is plastic, so I'm good to go. Well, as we can see here in your first assignment, that's not the way to go, because we really have to point to sustainability by doing things just like this, saying, okay, the cups are made with fiber sourced from forest certified, okay, the cups water resistant barriers, and this is all provable stuff. It's all researched, and it can all be proven with your research citation, okay? So when we do our course project, I want you to do the same thing. I want you to name all the materials in your designs and make sure that you prove to us that they're sustainable. And that's really what this is all about. It's about designing with, oh, hey, you know what? That reminds me of something. One thing you didn't talk about. Let me just to make sure. Okay. Yeah. All right. Two things I want to talk about. I want to talk about ink and I want to talk about plastic. So ink. Now we need to talk about the ink that's used to print this, because it needs to be vegetable ink. It needs to be vegetable based, 100% sustainable inks, and that's something that I'm sure they're using sustainable inks. I'm sure they're using vegetable-based inks instead of petroleum-based inks, but that's something you'll want to prove that, and you'll want to prove that in your own project as well. The other thing is plastic down here. The cups and the lids are final measure. That sounds like their lids are a problem for them, and it sounds like they're working that out. So that's awesome. Then you go on to say the only non-recyclable or non-compostable packaging now uses plastic and foil condiment package. That's awesome. That's something that the foil condiment packages, that's something that's really astute for you to bring that up. And plastic, look, here's the thing. Is it recyclable? Sure, it can be, but that doesn't mean the process of recycling isn't it nastier than using something else. A lot of times, like one of the biggest fallacies is it's called vegan leather. And by the way you would hear it, you would hear vegan leather. Wow, it sounds like something that's really responsible. But it's the nastiest, most toxic stuff to produce. It's worse than killing cows. It's just really a horrible, nasty process. But they call it vegan leather because sustainability is trendy. So watch for pitfalls like that. And I think plastic can fall into that pitfall merely by saying this. Okay, is plastic recyclable? Yes, it can be. But that's only if it makes it to the recycling plant. If it's not disposed of properly, it can sit for the next 5,000 years. Well, we're not going to last. Well, I shouldn't say that. If we last that long, it's going to be sitting in a landfill in 1,000 years from now. Do you see what I'm saying? So that's really a huge consideration there. So, all right, great resources, good job. I love this presentation. I thought you did a fantastic job. Great job, Melissa. Thank you.